Hello and welcome back with another video of Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will learn how to write dates in Excel using short commands. There are two keys which we will use to write commands in Excel. First one is that using this short command today. So to write dates in Excel, we will use press equal to. First we will write equal to, then we will write today, then we will write this bracket, then we will press enter, and you can see you can write dates in Excel. Another key to write dates in Excel is using pressing Ctrl and colon sign. We will press simultaneously Ctrl and colon sign, then we will press enter. So you can see we can write dates by this format also. So these are the two keys we can use. There are multiple keys which we can use to write dates in Excel format. So these are the two common keys which are used to write dates in Excel format. So that's all from this video. Stay connected for more videos. Thank you.